Tired of leaving your Trustpilot account vulnerable when accessing it through Google? Let's lock down your Trustpilot account by adding a dedicated password even when you sign in with Google, ensuring only authorized eyes see your valuable business reviews and data. Start by clicking your profile icon, usually found in the top right corner of your Trustpilot business account dashboard. In the drop-down menu that appears, locate and select Account Settings. This will take you to the area where you can manage your Trustpilot account details. On the Account Settings page, scroll down until you find the Password section. If you've been exclusively using Google Single Sign-In, you'll likely see an option to create password. Click Create Password, and you'll be prompted to enter a new, strong password. Then confirm it in the field below. Make sure to choose a password that's unique and difficult to guess, combining uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. Once you've entered and confirmed your new password, click Save, and that's it. You've now created a dedicated password for your Trustpilot account. Next time you log in, you'll have the option to use either your Google account or your newly created password.